Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome to Binging. In this episode, I'm going to Vegan Block Party to try some vegan food from vendors across South Florida. Vegan Block Party is like Veg Fest or Vegan Dale, where they have a bunch of food vendors that you could try that are local. This toston sandwich is from the food truck Roots and Seeds Cantina.
The toston burger is supposed to have buffalo tempeh, guacamole, coleslaw, and 2 tostones as the sandwich buns. It's really good. The tostones are a little bit oily though. A little bit greasy, but guacamole is really good. Tempeh tastes just like buffalo wings. I give it a 4 out of 5 stars.
This pina colada dish is from the Spanglish Vegan.
Cauliflower chicken, coconut rice. It has a jalapeno pineapple sauce and grilled pineapple. And then it has some plantain chips on top as garnish. It tastes like chicken, doesn't taste like cauliflower, and it's really crispy. Coconut rice.
Everybody to make sure that we know that running a sanctuary is one of the...
I mean, the rice, I don't taste any coconut in it. I taste the glaze. I taste the glaze on it, so I don't taste any pineapple. I don't taste any coconut, I only taste the glaze.
Client and her husband, I would train every day.
But I mean, it's good.
Like, I'm on the bottom
that
of the
it's
totem pole when it comes to
cauliflower.
bodybuilders.
So I'm giving the pina colada a 5 out of 5 stars because the chicken cauliflower is really good. Doesn't taste like cauliflower at all. The rice is good. I mean, it doesn't taste like coconut, but it tastes like the pineapple glaze. So it's definitely worth trying.
This edible cookie dough is from Doughlicious, and they offer other flavors in addition to the cake batter flavor.
It's cake batter cookie dough, and there's a bunch of things in it. There's a chocolate chip cookie, there's a waffle cone. So let's try it. Definitely taste the sugar cookie dough and all of the rainbow sprinkles. A little sugary, but it is good. It does taste a lot like cake batter. I love rainbow sprinkles, so this is definitely something I would go for. And I'm gonna give this a 4 out of 5.
So I am stuffed. I wish I could eat more, but all of that food I just ate didn't seem a lot, but it filled me up. So my favorite out of all of them would definitely have to be the pina colada from Spanglish Vegan. It just tasted so good. The cauliflower chicken didn't taste like cauliflower, which was good because then it lets you imagine that you're eating chicken, but you're not. And the rice was okay, but the glaze made it much, much better. So if you like this video, go ahead and click on the like button. Also remember to subscribe to this channel for more episodes of Binging. And if you're not following me on social media, go follow me right now on social media at Rican Vegan on both Facebook and Instagram. And also click on the video right here to see another episode of Binging. And also remember to subscribe down below and you'll get notified of when the next episode of Binging is up. And I'll see you in the next video.